Hello and welcome to the Friday Market Update. Today we have a special guest, my friend, business partner for 17 years, Sam Hansen, and he is one of the smartest guys I know. So we're going to get his insight into what he thinks is going on with the market. What happened this week and where do you think rates are going to go?
Well, today was a big week. This week the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, came out, which is a measure of inflation. It was tamer than the market expected, so that's really good for interest rates. A lot of economists also think that the labor market is softening, although the Federal Reserve is not seeing it and reacting to it. So, personally, I believe long-term rates will come down more as the months go on, as the Fed sees the labor market softening, and inflation keeps taming, then interest rates will come down. The big thing that can change that is tariffs. This tariff war back and forth, up, down, that's what can really spook the market and change interest rates pretty fast.
So do you think the Fed is being too cautious? Do you think we should have them? Do you think they should make the move now before they get ahead of it?
Absolutely. They always overshoot it. They overshot it the last time. They kept rates too low, which spurred on inflation, upwards of 9%. Now they're getting inflation back in check, and they're holding fast, and they're doing it too long again. They always overshoot it up and down every time.
Right.
So I think they're definitely missing the boat right now.
Yeah. So prediction for the fall, for the rest of the year, are we going to dip it below 6.5%? Are we going to get to 6%?
I hope so. I think there'll be something that happens that nobody anticipates. And, I wish I could say what that is, but it always seems to be something that really changes the market pretty violently. And I think we're in an area where something's going to happen. The Fed is in charge of supply and demand.
Jerome Powell, our friend,
by
right?
raising rates and lowering rates. That's what controls how many buyers are in the market. So, if the labor market starts really softening, inflation continues to tame, I definitely think we'll see rates go below 6.5.
I saw jobless came out this week. They were a lot worse than they have been in the past.
Yeah.
So I think we're definitely seeing a softening of the employment market. And if we can keep that inflation tame, hopefully we'll see some good news ahead.
Jump in now, buyers, before rates go down, because there'll be a lot more buyers making prices go up.
So you heard it from this guy. This is Gaylord out. See ya.